Life on the Street Food YouTube channel is pretty slow today. As you can see, my friend and I have been pretty relaxed, and we're here at Warung Putri to taste one of the most well-known Soto Babis in the Mengwi area. Now, this one is all about the bones. It's got daikon in here, she's got carrot in here, and of course, lots of little giblets and bits and bobs of pork. So it's a wonderful porky stew. You know what? I have a few bits and bobs of pork bones at home, and I'm going to see if I can replicate this dish. So I've come back from Warung Putri, where we had that Soto Babi, which is basically pork broth. And I've learnt and researched how to do it. I've asked her a couple of questions, and apparently you have a very light Bumbu Bali, basically kencur, garlic, a little bit of chilli, and a tiny bit of turmeric, because the stock, when I saw it there, was not that yellow. And then also, the main thing about this is to use pork knuckle and a little bit of pork hock as well. What I also found out as well is that they use sugarcane, and I've not seen this in a lot of the Balinese cuisines. So first step is boil the pork. We've done that. I'm going to pop the pork into some water. We're also going to put in the sugarcane. I'm going to put in maybe about 3 pieces. That should be enough. A little bit of bruised lemongrass, and then also going to put in a little bit of ginger in there too, and then bring that up to the boil. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil. So you just want to fry this off so to get it nice and fragrant. Yep, you can start to smell it now. Nearly there. So I've put the pork stock back onto the boil, and I'm going to add in the paste that we've just fried off. And that's going to slowly cook out. Then I'm going to add in some sliced garlic, a little bit of daikon in here as well. Then I'm going to season it, add in a little bit of vinegar in here, and that's just going to cut the pork fat and also give a bit of cleanliness to the dish as well, and a little bit of sourness. And then I'm going to cook it for about an hour to an hour and a half. I'm going to add a little bit of celery at the bottom there, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon, just a little bit of citrus in there for freshness. Take my pork stock, if you have a look at this. I think it looks pretty close to what we had beforehand. And I'm going to add deep fried shallots in there, mix through that celery. And here we have our Soto Babi Balinese Style. Oh, so good. That broth, and there's lovely bits of pork knuckle in there. That is just wonderful.